to change the game, and I'm on my way to fame. Cause I'm here, I'm ready, about to do my thing. Haters stay from out my lane, I promise I am the same. Cause I'm here now. Live life with no fears, blood, sweat, and more tears. That's what sacrifice is.
What's good, fun with Sean family? We are back, we're back. As y'all can see, it's that time. Definitely at the airport. This weather's been crazy here in Dallas, so I'm praying that my flight is on time because y'all know it's that weekend. It's that weekend we're headed to Atlanta. You already know it's car show season, so we definitely headed out to the Rick Ross car show. It's gonna be a blast. Man, I can't wait to get there and network with everybody, and hopefully this year, you know, obviously this year's gonna be better than next year. I'm gonna bring you way better content, and yeah. So we're here waiting on the flight. It's been delayed a couple times, but only like 10 minutes, so we're still good. But yeah, should be fun. Can't wait to get there. It's not even gonna be as hot this year as it was last year, so that's a good thing because last year it was extremely hot. So I'm looking forward to this year. There's a lot more surprises, a lot more networking to do and things like that, but just all around it's gonna be a good time. So if y'all new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We're on the road to 5,000 subscribers, so let's get us there. Let's get these next couple of videos, let's get this video to 100 likes. It really helps the algorithm out and get more people to see our channel. So I appreciate y'all for rocking with me this far, and we're just gonna turn it up from here. And yeah, so we're finna board here in the next few minutes, and then I'm gonna catch y'all on the A. Yes, sir. We are here. We're here. We just made it to Atlanta. Quick little easy flight. Comment down below. What's your favorite airline? There's a few I'm not flying again this year, but yeah, I love American. I'm not gonna lie. But anyway, yeah, it's nice here. Man, weather's good. Thought I was gonna die in this hoodie, but we're good. Yeah, I'm just waiting for the hotel shuttle. We had to catch an Uber this time. They got a hotel shuttle. So yeah, I'm gonna pack and give y'all a quick little room tour when I get there, and then see what we can get into tonight. Get our mind right for tomorrow when we go to Ricky Rose's 3rd annual Car and Bike Show and Concert. They just announced there will be a performance, so that's dope. But yeah, I'm excited, man. I'm excited to network with some people and get some good content for y'all, and just have fun. So yeah, like I said, man, I'll catch y'all when we get to the hotel. Do a quick little hotel, maybe a hotel tour, do a room tour, and yeah, catch y'all. Made it to the hotel, the Western Airport. Kind of quiet. Some coffee. Computer bar. Check out this room. Try to give me a high floor so we got some views. Don't know what the views gonna be like, but yes, sir. Okay.
47.
Alright, y'all, we done found the room. We're gonna check this room out together and see what we did. I actually upgraded to just one king because I made a mistake. I think they got me a king. I made a mistake by putting 2 double beds or something in here, but I think we're good to go. Yes, sir. So I walk in, you got the bathroom. Nice little shower. Closet with the safe. Definitely got that ironing board. Definitely need that. For sure. Okay, got me right. So Ken. Got me a little friend right here. Yes, sir. Some coffee. It's a little hot in here though. We're gonna definitely have to turn this AC on. They still got the old school phones. Okay, that's what's up. No view. No view, y'all. I'm sorry, I was trying to get us a view. No view, just the woods, but it's cool because we're not really gonna be in here. But yeah, it's a nice little room. Nice little room. But yeah, like I said, I'm finna unpack, unwind real quick, edit a video for y'all, and then we're gonna find somewhere to eat. Y'all know I love to eat, and I came to Atlanta to eat as well, so we're gonna find somewhere to eat later. And yeah, just try to bring you some cool content. So y'all, I found the pool. It's dope. It's one of those indoor-outdoor pools, but unfortunately, they got it closed off. You can't go outside right now. Probably too cold, but it goes outside. It's pretty cool. I haven't seen one of those in a long time. It's a nice little place to chill, vibe. It's warm in here, so I don't know how the water is, but I'm gonna have to check it out. Make our way back. They got a nice little gym. Did our little boxing in. It's been a minute. Heck yeah. Got a nice little chair area. You know, I had to get that workout in.